Hello everyone. In today's class, we will explore the digital triangle. This is the strategy model that I use to implement digital marketing in the companies I consult for. The digital triangle is worked in 3 stages: presence, service, and sales. This strategy model allows any company, regardless of its digital stage, to enhance its digital presence and do more business through digital channels. We will look at each of these 3 steps and analyze practical examples of global brands that have already successfully followed this path. In the first step, we deal with digital presence. Here, the goal is to establish and consolidate the brand's identity online, ensuring that the public recognizes and connects with it. A strong presence is the foundation for all subsequent digital actions. A classic example of digital presence is Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign. In this campaign, the brand replaced its traditional logo with its own names and nicknames on the packaging, personalizing the consumer experience. The strategy was strongly integrated with social media, encouraging consumers to share photos with their personalized packaging. This campaign generated great global engagement and strengthened Coca-Cola's digital identity. The second stage of the strategy is the provision of services through digital channels. In this phase, the company is no longer limited to being present online, but begins to actively interact with its audiences, offering services, support and relevant content that builds customer loyalty and improves the consumer experience. Apple, for example, invests heavily in Apple Support, a service that goes far beyond simple troubleshooting. When a customer has a question or difficulty with their device, they can access a vast library of video tutorials, step-by-step guides and FAQs, both through the website and through a dedicated app. Customer service via chat and phone is personalized, allowing remote assistance to resolve issues without the need for physical travel. In a recent campaign, Apple released explanatory videos on its official YouTube channel demonstrating how to access and use these resources, which reinforced the image of a brand committed to customer experience and increased user confidence. This integrated digital support strategy is also reflected in its online community, where users share tips and solutions, creating a collaborative and constant learning environment. The third stage is the digital sale of products or services. After establishing a solid presence and offering excellent service, the company is ready to convert this base into sales using e-commerce, marketplaces, and remarketing strategies. It is also at this stage that the company will increase its investments in paid traffic through advertisements on platforms such as Google Ads and Meta Ads, among others. But be careful. Many companies try to start selling online without going through the previous steps. They end up attracting leads through ads, but they are unable to serve the customers who arrive through these channels. This ends up providing a poor experience for customers, leading to wasted financial resources, loss of customers, and deterioration of the brand image. Now, let's take a look at Nike, an inspiring example of how to turn digital engagement into significant sales. Nike integrates its e-commerce with digital campaigns that tell emotional and motivating stories. In an innovative campaign, the brand used augmented reality resources to allow consumers to virtually try on its products. Through this interactive experience, customers could visualize how the sneakers would fit on their feet and customize them according to their preferences. This technology not only created an emotional connection with the consumer, but also significantly increased online conversions, as users felt more confident and excited about making the purchase. The campaign also featured videos and digital ads that reinforced the brand's storytelling, highlighting the performance and innovative design of Nike products. Therefore, the digital triangle is made up of 3 interconnected vertices: presence, service, and sales. Each stage is essential and supports the previous one. We saw how Coca-Cola, with the Share a Coke campaign, strengthened its digital identity, how Apple elevated the customer experience with its integrated digital support, and how Nike, using augmented reality technology and storytelling, transformed engagement into significant sales. These examples demonstrate that success in the digital environment depends on an integrated strategy, where each vertex enhances the others. Now that you understand the digital triangle, reflect on how these strategies can be applied to your own business and what challenges may arise at each stage. Remember, digital success is built step by step, integrating presence, service, and sales in a harmonious way. In the next classes, we will explore each of these vertices in detail. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in our next class.